Kung nakapag-Taiwan ka na at na-miss mo ang lasa ng milk tea ng Milk Shop, ay tiyak na para sa'yo to. Dahil meron na ditong Milk Shop sa Malolos Convention na mas kilala sa Taiwan na Milk Shop. Yun mga pare, na dito nga tayo sa Malolos Convention dahil meron naman tayong nadaanan isang pangmalakasan na food tripan. Isang bagong bukas na milk tea yan guys. At kakabili dito ay galing pa nga sa ibang bansa, galing Taiwan at ngayon ay nasa Pilipinas na. Tara, Lai Chang Mrs. Chuliba. Let's go!
Ni hao, welcome to Milk Shop. So, yung Milk Shop, naalala ko lagi kami nagka-travel sa Taiwan before. Then, I met my partner sa Taiwanese. So, nung nasa Taiwan kami, halos everyday I'm looking for a milk shop or milk tea shop. And then, nung nandito ako sa Pilipinas, parang na-realize niya yung mga other milk tea shop dito, hindi naman siya ganun ka-legit Taiwanese. So, parang he find ways to have his own milk tea shop, and then we develop our own milk shop na. So, yung pinaka-store ng milk shop, yung nasa main branch namin ng Giginto, ni-redo namin lahat ng recipe to fit his taste kasi feeling niya hindi legit na Taiwanese talaga yung iba. So, mas gusto niya yun talagang galing sa mainland niya, which is yung Taiwan. Si Milk Shop, nakakatawa sa kanya is yung pearl niya, very chewy. And then when you enter the store, smell mo yung pearl and the tea. So, we have our own R&D team to create our own tea. So, from roasting, yung mixtures. So, hindi siya madaling i-copy kasi from Taiwan talaga lahat ng ingredients, even the cups. So, mas na-enjoy ng customers namin until they're asking for more branches. So, in less than a year, or actually, we started less than 6 months. Now, we have almost 15 branches. So, that's why very nakakatuwa talaga yung Milk Shop kasi every time they entered, they feel na they're in Taiwan from smell pa lang ng pearl, ng tea, and then the ambience is really Taiwanese. So, we would like to invite everyone to our other milk tea or Milk Shop branches. Along Bulacan, you can see a lot of milk shops sa Vista Mall, sa Malolos. We will have another branch here in Malolos, sa tapat ng Carmen's. And then, here in Malolos Convention, very accessible siya. You can see along the road lang, in North Centrum, Giginto, and also in GD Plaza. Soon, we will have our SM branches then, sa SM Valenzuela and in Manila. Sa Manila, we also have in Recto, actually. And then, Parada, Valenzuela. Ayun.